Hi there, curious minds. In this session, we will delve deeper into marketing and the topic of brand value. Let's get learning. Brand value is the monetary worth of a brand. When you think of brands like Apple, Google, or Nike, each has a monetary worth that can be translated into dollars and cents. It's like a price tag that we attach to a brand, based on various factors such as their market position, customer loyalty, or revenue streams. What makes brand value particularly interesting is that it is considered an intangible asset. This means that, although it does have a monetary value, it is not a physical good you can hold or touch. Unlike tangible assets like buildings or equipment, you cannot see or feel brand value, but it is very much real and can significantly contribute to a company's bottom line. Now, let's discuss a term called brand value proposition. This is what a firm promises to deliver to its target consumers. It's like a pact between the brand and its customers, outlining the unique benefits and experiences the brand offers. This proposition can be a powerful tool for the brand to communicate its value and appeal to its target market. While we're on this topic, it's important to distinguish between brand value and another term, brand equity. While brand value is about the monetary worth of the brand, brand equity is more about the brand's ability to capture customer attention and preference. Consider it as the influence or power a brand has over its customers' decisions, derived from its reputation, marketing efforts, and customer experiences. High-value brands usually enjoy a competitive advantage over their competitors. This doesn't just happen overnight though. It's the result of consistent and strategic efforts to build a strong brand identity, offer superior products or services, foster strong relationships with customers. High-value brands are often more recognizable, trusted, and preferred by consumers, which ultimately gives them an edge in the marketplace. That wraps up our session. Remember, each day brings new learning opportunities. Until next time, stay curious.